Alright. Good evening, everyone. Say hello.
Say hi.
Say hi.
Hi. Say hi to the camera. Say hi to the camera.
Okay, so tonight we will reveal the gender of our baby. Okay. So before we reveal, we thank you, Shem, for the cake, for sponsoring the cake. Sa akong classmate na si Shem. Okay.
You ask me.
So what do you want? Boy or girl?
What does he like? Yeah.
How about Papa? What do you like?
Boy.
Well, based on our outfit, I like girl. Okay, so let's reveal. Woo will pull the big circle.
You pull.
Okay, you pull. Okay, ready? Ready na?
Three. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Pull.
Oops. Up.
Pull.
Again. Okay. Wala pa. Oops. Uy, wala pa. Uy, magtaas-taas. Oops. Oops. Uy. Wala pa yun. Oops. Sino mananalo ng 20 pesos load? Saan ni siya mo eh? Alright. Uy, wala pa gyapon. Oops. Wala pa dyan. Wala pa. Ay, wala pa yun.
Basahon. Nahulog lagi.